Now that we have managed to load a custom raised button with the pump widget method, we can start doing something interesting with it. And for example, we could check that this widget has a raised button inside it. And to do that, we need to use an object which is called a finder. So over here, we can type final button equals find. And here we get a list of all the methods that we can use to find a widget. And the one that we want is find by type, like this. And inside here, we can pass raised button as an argument. And then we need to write an expectation. So here I can type expect that button. And then I'm going to use something that is called a matcher. And in this case, I can type finds one widget, like this. And finds one widget is a specific matcher that is defined in the Flutter test package. So in a nutshell, this code tries to find a widget of type raised button inside the widget tree that is returned by the custom raised button widget. And then we expect that we find exactly one match by using this matcher constant. So let's run the tests again. Okay, so let's get some more practice using matchers by writing another expectation. And here I could type expect and then find.by type, and this time I'm going to use flat button, and then I want my matcher to be finds nothing, like this. And finds nothing is a very common matcher that is used to check that no widgets are found. So I could run the tests again, and what we are saying here is that we expect to find a raised button but not a flat button, and our tests have passed again. Okay, so let's take things one step further. And as you can see, this custom raised button takes an optional child widget, and this is normally used to add some text inside a button. So as a next step, we can add a child widget when we create this button. And here we can pass a text widget that says tap me, for example. And if we want, here we can write expect and then find. And this time we can say text, and we're going to use the same string, so tap me, like this. And we are going to use finds one widget as a matcher. So let's run this test again. And the idea here is that we can pass a custom child to our widget, and because this is a text widget, then we can find that widget with the text that was used to configure it. And once again, our test is green. In summary, we have discovered how we can check if a widget contains another widget either by type or with a specific text. And to do that, we need to use finders and matchers. So let's continue on the next video.